Yo guys, it's TNN and today we're going to have a look at the Xiaomi Mi Smart Band 6. And here it is. It's going to be a quick review video of it and what I think of it after using it for around a couple months.
So bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
So here we have the box for the Mi Smart Band 6. Which is really nice, really sleek box. Got like a sort of Samsung style to it, which I really like this mirror finish. Really nice box. Pretty simple. We've got some of the features written on the side over here. So we've got a 1.55 inch crisp and clear full AMOLED display, a blood oxygen saturating monitoring system. We've also got a stress monitoring and breathing training system and a menstrual cycle data tracking system. So it's really good for all genders and all use. We've got a few specs and information over here, so if you do want to check that out, go ahead and pause the video now. And we do have some more features on this idea. So we've got up to 30 workout modes, water resistance of up to 50 meters, reliable sleep and information recording, and also magnetic charging. That is it with the box, really. Inside the box, we have, of course, the actual smart band. So I've gone ahead, I've set it up, I've used it. I know this is a Smart Band 6 and there is a Smart Band 7 out as well. But this was 50% cheaper than the Smart Band 7. So it just felt like the logical thing for me to do is to purchase one of these and see how these are. And it's actually a really good band. And I could also call it a smart watch as well. It's really good. And if you want to save money and not get the 7, then I'd definitely recommend getting this because this is super well priced. What else comes in the box is this really big, really thick user manual. It's probably like a massive book you could find in the library. But yeah, it comes with a user manual, so that's pretty nice. And then we also get the magnetic charger as well, which does have Mi branding on it. And it is a USB type A to the other end as well. Not that long of a cable, pretty short, but it is just used to charge the actual device. But the battery on the actual device lasts about a week anyway. It's really strong battery. So here it is. Here is the Mi Smart Band 6. So I've gone and changed this wallpaper into this style here. There are so many different styles you can go ahead and change into. If you go ahead and tap and hold, you can download some more. These are the ones I've saved as my favorite. So you got this style for clock face. We got this style clock face. We got this style clock face. But I prefer using this one, which is my own personal wallpaper I added because it matches the same wallpaper as my phone, which is the Xiaomi over here. You see that? And that is why I like doing it. Now the app that works with it as well is the Mi Fitness app. Now you don't have to have a Xiaomi phone. You can have any phone. You can download the Mi Fitness app and you can simply connect to this device and download and update any data. Anything that you can see on the device, it's all on here. And you can also connect to the device through the app as well. We'll go through the app a little bit later on as well. I'm not going to go too in depth onto it, but I will go through a little bit onto it. We've got different settings, different layouts on this Mi Band. This is the way I have laid it out. You can do it completely different. So if I swipe left, I got my weather. If I swipe right, we can see my notifications. If I swipe left twice, we can go to music. We can go to stopwatch. We can go to alarm clocks. And then we go into the main menu here, which I like to have my quick for my features of my fitness. So when I'm at the gym, I can quickly record and add a record of all this stuff, which is what I normally like to do. So indoor fitness, indoor cycling, rowing machine, core training, HIIT training, all sorts of training here. You can even add more. And then we're back to the cycle again. So we can swipe down and we've got status bar. We've got the PAI, which calculates that. We've got the status here, which calculates your overall fitness and what your status has been. I've not been wearing it today, so but distance 4 meters, calories 1, all sorts of settings, heart rate, oxygen level, you just measure your sleeps, notification, the workouts we just went through, the workout history. You can measure your stress levels, your breathing, see how well you're breathing, see other events, alarms, weather, world clock, so you can also see the time for all other the world. You can change the settings on here as well, how band display, which is what we did when you can press and hold. Do not disturb. You change the brightness, have it nice and super bright. Lock screen, screen rate, auto screen. There's so many settings in. Of course, you can also factory reset it. If you've got more, there's also more. You can use it as a flashlight. If you go ahead and turn the flashlight on at night time, this is a super useful. Oh, looks like someone's at my door. That was the Ring doorbell going off there. But yeah, this flashlight is super useful at night. I love using it when you're not got your phone on you and you just want to quickly just flash the light. You can control your camera from your phone camera, and you can snap pictures through your phone camera. Timer, find device. You can also find your phone like so. So if you lost your phone and you don't know where it is, if you go on find device, it starts ringing your phone. It's really cool. And of course you can silent it as well. So there's so many features on this watch, and these are just the layout that I've selected. You can also add a lot more to it as well. Now, comfort wise, I think it's really comfortable. It's got this really soft rubber strap, which is really nice. We've got the Mi logo at the bottom here. We've got the heart rate scanner. We've got the magnetic charger as well. Charger's really nice, easy to snap on. If I go ahead and grab the cable for you now, it just simply snaps on like so. Really easy, really simple to use, really comfortable to wear. The bands are changeable. You can simply just push them out of here and you get the actual device itself separated from the band. It is a super tiny device for such a really high quality screen here. I mean, I'm really impressed. I have snapped it on the wrong way though, that's why it's looking a bit wonky. Let's snap it on properly. There you go, looking a lot better. But yeah, really nice, really good device. So let's go ahead and let's have a look at more of the app feature. So if you go ahead and look at the Mi Fitness Band, you can adjust your displays all from here. You've got all these other displays you can add on. So honestly, it's so many displays. App notification, you can manage your incoming calls, background permission. You can have a look at all your heart rate monitoring and manage all the settings, everything from here. You can set a goal alert. You can do everything from this app. Honestly, it's absolutely amazing. Now the camera function is actually beta, but I have turned it on, but it is a beta feature and it does work. If you go on the camera on your phone, you can actually take pictures using the camera app on the Mi Band, but you do have to open the camera up on the phone first. You can sort out your widgets, you can sort out your apps, you can raise to where you do every sort of setting here. You can also do find device as well through here if you lose your band. You can also share your heart rate data, change your playing, change the language, put a pin. You can unlock your phone with your smart band. So if you have a smart band on you, your phone will unlock automatically, and you can also send it updates. Super simple, super easy to use, and it's a really nice application. You can literally track everything from this application. How many steps, all your history, everything. You can set a profile. Yeah, it's really nice. It's a really good band. It's a really good watch. If you want it as a, you know, sort of a notification thing. If you're working and you can't always look at your phone, but you can have a quick look at your watch to see if you've got any notifications, it's perfect for that. And the battery life is absolutely amazing on this. I've honestly not had it once where it's gone completely dead. I've been wearing it for like a week and it gets to around 15%, and that's when I charge it back up again. It does take a little bit while to charge up, so I do just normally leave it charging overnight. Wake up in the morning, put it on again, and it lasts me for about a week. So it's a really good device. I've not put any screen protector or anything like that on this screen, and it is super durable. Not had any issues with it. No scratches, no dents, no marks, no cracks, nothing. All round, I've literally put no protection on this, and I've had it for a couple of months and it's been absolutely fine. I actually wore it to swimming, I've worn it in the shower, I've actually taken it in seawater as well, at a beach as well, and it was completely fine. So yeah, it's proven like a super durable device. So that is it with the Mi Smart Band 6. If you are interested in purchasing it, link to buy will be down in the description, and as always, don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching this review.